How to make an attractive city. Cities are significant. We all have to live in them to some extent. We should make every effort to get them correct. So few cities are lovely and even fewer are truly beautiful. Ironically, the more appealing ones tend to be all, which is strange considering we're generally much better at making things now. So, how to make an attractive city? From align the button, the 6 points that pointed out that makes a city attractive are order, not too chaotic, not to order, visible life, compact, orientation and ministry, scale, make it local. Not too chaotic, not to order. Balance, symmetry, and repetition characterize an organized city. When things are a jumble, it feels as if no one is in command, like a skyscraper rising for a low-destiny neighborhood, and excessive repetition is harsh and depressing. To achieve structured, complexity, cities should seek order and variety. For example, every property must be the same width and height, but they can differ in design and color, allowing passerby to focus on a few major variations without being overstimulated. Visible life. Modern towns are brimming with ominous and personal business towers on deserted avenues lit by icy motorways. Even though vibrant ideas percolate inside, there is no life or activity on the ground. Our favorite streets are bustling with bustle. They are bustling with activity and bordered with transparent storefronts that let us observe individuals at artwork. Imagine if a pipeline was built across a beautiful river, and how outraged people will be. Compact. We have conceived ourselves that we wish to live alone. More and more individuals are tucking themselves away in a private realm. And it's a disaster, they claim. It's become deadly, chilly, unitarian, and extremely wasteful of resources. People can have coffee or read the newspaper in bustling public square in the beautiful city. This square should be small enough to seem like an extension of your house, yet large enough to provide us with a break from our comfortable private quarters. They even come in the perfect size. We feel discollated and out of the proportion if it's too big. You should be able to recognize a pace across the square. It should be filled and close, yet not confining. Orientation and ministry. Small back streets make us feel cozy, while big boulevards assist us navigate and establish a feeling of place. It's also crucial to be close to our neighbors, because people are nicer when they are always on show. Scale. The city showpieces reflect our interests as a society, and right now those interests are the gigantic towers housing even greater corporations. The honor should be reserved for emblems of our greater priorities. Towers must be deserving of their importance. They must be in line with our highest goals and long-term requirements. As a result, they suggest a 5-story general height restriction with dense, compact development. Make it local. Each city has its own distinct culture, personality, strengths, and flaws. They should associate their personality with unique local materials and forms. That may mean dense cedars and native sandstone in Seattle. Giving a city a distinct personality offers its a sense of place and identity. If a city is too generic, there is no incentive to choose in over another to live, work, or visit.